How do you do a makeup in 5 minutes or 5 to 10 minutes max and still look elegant and nice?
The
What
tricks.
do you say?
Okay, so if you're somebody who goes to office and doesn't have much time, I
Yeah.
would say the basic thing that you should do is, if you have dark circle, maybe just add a little concealer.
Okay.
Just with your finger. Everything is about your fingers.
Yeah,
You don't
yeah.
need brush.
Okay.
Eye makeup, take a brown pencil. I think we all have kajal pencil, typical Indian thing. We have
Correct.
kajal. Just put kajal on your water line. With your finger itself, just smudge it.
Okay.
It gives you a nice depth on your eye.
Okay.
Take a mascara, just do that thing.
Huh.
Eyebrow, blush, lipstick, sorted.
That's it.
That's it. And trust me, you look beautiful.
Right.
You don't need to go all professional way with those brushes and fancy makeup. You can just have a pink lipstick or a red lipstick. Use that as a blush, eye makeup.
The same thing for everything.
Same thing. The lipstick can be treated as your blush. If it's
Okay.
pink tone or brown tone or even a light red tone or peach, you can use that as a lipstick. You can use that as an eyeshadow.
Okay.
It's just tricks and little things that you can just use here and there.
How do you safeguard your skin, your face skin? I'm talking about the skin on the face.
Yeah.
Many people are not aware. Like you yourself told,
Very
I used to
late,
sleep
yeah.
with my makeup.
Yeah.
So what are the basic tips that you can give to the people to take care of their skin?
Sunscreen. Prema garu, a lot of people around me itself till date don't use sunscreen. I see a lot of Indian women and men have pigmentation here after 40, which is because of all these harsh lights and sun.
Okay.
So when you're sitting even in this room, you need to have sunscreen on your face.
Yes, I have. I have been using sunscreen, I think, since 7 8 years.
Oh,
8
wow.
to 9 years. Yeah.
It's a must. Sunscreen is a must, first of all. Whenever you come back home from outside, please cleanse your face. Don't straight away wash your face because your dirt is into your pores. And it's still there if you just clean the upper layer. You need to clean the lower layer, which is your pores, right?
Okay.
So you cleanse your face properly. If you don't have a cleanser, no problem. Take some moisturizer, face moisturizer, put on your cotton pad and just remove it. And then wash your face.
Oh, you should not directly wash.
No, you should never do that. Also, treat your face like baby's skin. A lot of people scrub your face. Don't do facials. Don't do over steaming. I don't do facials ever. Facials make your skin loose.
Oh,
You don't need
to
all
all these
that.
beauty parlors if you say this. They'll attack you.
Oh no, I'm used to being attacked. I'm like the trolling queen right now, so it's okay.
Okay. So what about the night care?
Night care. So I am very simple at all these things. I do niacinamide salicylic, which you don't have to necessarily do. Just before going to bed, cleanse your face. I would say again, cleanse because there's dirt.
Yeah.
Even if you're just sitting at home, cleanse your face, wash your face, put basic night cream, or if you can't do that, also just massage your face. Just go upwards as you grow older, especially after 20, 25. Start massaging your skin upwards.
Okay.
A lot of people pull it down. A lot of people bring this down now, and your age starts from here, not here.
Okay.
So start with taking care of your neck. Yes. Basic tricks.
Okay. I remember my mom, my grandmom, they used to have very basic traditional methods to protect their skin. I used to see them do that. I never tried. But
Turmeric and basin.
yeah.
That's like forever been there, and that's the
And
best.
my mom adds little cream also, malai.
Malai.
Milk ka malai.
Okay.
That also she adds into that. And she mixes all of them and she applies to her face.
And that's the best.
Today also she's 70
Wow.
and her skin, one or two places she has pigmentation, but otherwise she's...
I think the lesser you do to your skin with chemicals is the best for you. When I say lesser, I don't mean that avoid sunscreen and basic moisturizer, but lesser treatment. Like we do facials and we do threading and we do a lot of things. I think you should just avoid it. Simple is best. Do your cleansing, do your toning, do your moisturizer. That you must do. I think one of the biggest trick, I forgot about that. Early morning when you wake up, when you just open your eye, take a bowl full of ice cubes and dip your face in that. That is the bestest
Won't
treatment.
it pain?
It does. Beauty hurts. You can't help it.
No. What I mean to say is, won't it pain means won't it break?
Numb.
Won't the skin break?
No, not
if
at
you
all.
put
Not
so
at
much
all.
of ice on your face.
You just dip in for like what, 15 seconds?
Okay.
And see the skin how it looks.
Oh.
It looks fresh, numb, and it'll be numb for some time, but it'll look like a baby skin. And the pores shut.
Okay.
And then you start your day with whatever you do.
So this basin and turmeric is really good.
Please, that's the best. I do that literally once or twice a week because I don't get much time. But if I do that. Like we cook rice, right? Make that into a powder and then apply on your face with curd or milk, whatever suits you. That just makes your skin good.
How much do you advise cosmetology treatments for anybody who want their skin to be Little better.
I don't really advise people to get into that, side until unless you are an actress, because actors are in front of lights
Yeah,
whole day.
yeah.
It damages, a lot of things on their face. So them doing, I would, because they also take good care while eating and exercising. But normal people like us, I would say, just avoid till you can. Don't look for those are shortcuts. Like I have pigmentation, run to a doctor, he or she will fix it. Don't look for that. Go for some home remedies that we have been learning from our nannies,
Yeah.
and they really work wonders.
Now, tell me 3 home remedies.
Home
We
remedies.
spoke only about turmeric and basil, but I wanted to tell 3 home remedies which they can do it forever and ever and ever, irrespective of the gender.
Besan and haldi 100%.
Okay?
You can do rice.
What do you do with rice?
Rice ka powder bana ke, put little raw milk and apply on your face for glass skin. It's a Korean trick.
Really?
Yeah, and we are big on Korean tricks right now.
No. Rice means your raw rice or
Raw rice bhi kar sakte hain. You
boiled
can do
rice?
no, you can do both. But raw rice is what I would suggest you do.
raw rice? You powder it. You
Make
grind
it powder. Yeah,
Okay.
you grind it. Put raw milk in that. Mix it and just apply on your face early morning.
Early morning. For how much? How long?
It depends until it dries. Once it
Okay.
dries, you just clean it with cold water.
Okay.
The third trick would be aloe vera and vitamin E for the shine on your face.
Aloe vera.
It's beautiful. Aloe vera gel is amazing for your skin, your hair, any kind of issue. You eat the gel; it's good for your, system. Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Super.